Yo, the studio is almost set up just the way I want it. So you know what that means. There will be a studio tour soon. In fact, just yesterday, got a rug. The rug looks good. I got to get a couple more rugs, but now I'm getting rugs. And on top of that, I'm getting flowers and plants. Who knew? But that's not what's important right now. You know what's important right now? You know what's important right now? That's right. It's time for another Sketchbox challenge. Let's go. Yo, what's up guys? You know what time it is. It's Sketchbox challenge time. So if you don't know what Sketchbox is, it's a subscription mystery box art supply company. They send out these boxes every month. I get one. I have a subscription to these guys. Not sponsored yet. They still haven't heard me. Sketchbox, I'm available. Just letting you know, I'm here. Holla at me. So here's the trick with Sketchbox, guys. This is a mystery box. I don't know what's in it. You don't know what's in it. But what's gonna happen is we're gonna find out what's in it together. And the challenge part of this is I can only use what's inside this box. All right, that's the intro. Let's get into it. All right, got my trusty knife. Let's see what's in the box. Oh boy, I don't wanna open it. There we go. All right, what's in it? Well, flyers, as usual. Oh boy, they got that taped up. Yo, it's a whole pencil set, yo. From DeWint. Okay, see what you're going, Sketchbox. Ooh, got a drafting pencil. They must have heard me talking. And then we got another pencil of some sort. Another pencil of some sort. These must be watercolor pencils. This is a clay pencil. I don't even know what that's going to be used for. Oh, a really nice brush. A Princeton. That's it? Yep, that's it. Except for, of course, cute sticker. Okay guys, let's go over what we got in this month's haul. Looks like I've got the custom DeWint pencil set. Now this was picked out by the staff over there at Sketchbox, and if you know DeWint, you know they're a premium pencil set, so you already know there's some great goodness in this box. Can't wait to use it. Also looks like I got the Alvin Draftmatic 9mm mechanical pencil. Looks like that's going to be a real good one. I can't wait to try that one out. Now I also got 3 of the Caran d'Ache Technolo RGB pencil. These are watercolor pencils, so basically you lay down the pencil, take a little water on the brush, go over that and get some nice washes. So we're going to really have a lot of fun doing that. Also got the Spectrum Noir color tint in a clay. Basically it's a really thick chunky graphite pencil, and so it's not a deep black. That clay color is going to be sort of a grayish tint. Can't wait to try that out. And last but not least is the Princeton Lauren Filbert size 6. Remember, we got watercolor brushes. Well, that's the brush that's going to add the water to make the watercolor brushes do what they do. And that's going to be dope. All right, now that we know what we got, we know what we're working with, let me get some nice vellum paper. I think is going to be the best. Yeah, let me get some vellum paper and let's do a nice drawing and wrap this Sketchbox challenge up. Yo, so that about wraps up today's Sketchbox challenge. Not gonna do too much of a really deep dive like I did in the other videos because, well, they're pencils. and they work really well. Plus they're from Derwent, and the other company, which I don't know much about, the pencils were very comparable from. And the one thing I'll say is I really like that Alvin mechanical pencil. So if you have a chance to get that one, guys, definitely get that. But other than that, they're pencils. And they did exactly what they were supposed to do. So that being said, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here and you like what you see so far, feel free to subscribe. Also, guys, please share this all over the internet. And before I forget, hit that bell icon, because you know, if you hit the bell, that lets you know when I upload a new video. And if you don't hit the bell, well, you don't know, and then you have to roll the dice to find out. And who wants to roll the dice to find out? Just hit the bell so you know when I upload a new video. Hit me up on social media at DKG72 on Twitter and Instagram. That David Gordon 72 fan page is on Facebook. And if you really like me, if you really like me, subscribe to my Patreon, DKG72 Makes Comics. Something that I'm actually going to start interacting more with, so that's coming. Other than that, guys, slight editorial note, we did have some issues with cameras and some of the footage got lost, but you know, we made it work. That being said, guys, what can I say? It was a good one. Love the Sketchbox challenge. Love what came in this month's Sketchbox, remember, I'm here. All you gotta do is sign me up and I'll talk good about you all the time. And well, I talk good about you anyway, so, and you're not paying me. And you know, I just, you know, maybe we could work something out, Sketchbox, maybe. All right, I'm out. It's DKG72. And I'll holler at y'all next video. The studio tour is coming. I'm not gonna tell you when. The studio tour is coming. And I got some other special videos for you guys. All right, I'm out. Peace.